Windows Programming Part 2. Matrix Grid Example. Select New from File menu. Select Windows Forms application. Type your project name. Select a location to save your project. Type a meaningful name to the form. Change the background color of the form. Drag and drop the main menu into the form. Changing the properties of the selected menu items. Copying the code to declare the variables of the matrix grid. Paste the code here. Copying the code to initialize the variables. Paste the code here. Calling the initialize function from the form loader to initialize the variables. Copying the code to draw the grid. Paste the code here. The graphics class provides methods for drawing lines, curves, figures, images, and text. The pen class defines an object used to draw lines and curves. Setting the pen width. Drawing the rows. Drawing the columns. Selecting the pane event of the corresponding selected item. Paint event will be called each time when the application repaint itself. Draw grid will be called in each painting events. Double-click the menu item to add the click event. Copying the required code to resize matrix grid to 50%. Refresh function will call the paint function of the form me is equal to the this object in C++. Draws the grid in actual size. Draws the grid in double size.